Go back that way. What I'm talking about right there. Good job. Down, turn yours on. Is yours on? You got to there you go. That's how it's done, y'all. Thank you. It looks good. Thank you, darling. Oh, look at you. You're going to do the caps, too. Wow. You're smart. You're a good cleaner. Let that man move the scarf. We don't want it eating the scarf up. Awesome job, guys.
Oh, done.
Yes. Y'all are good. Look how big you are. It's okay, baby. And it's got stuff sitting everywhere, huh? You gonna put your toys up? Aren't you just so good? Thank you, guys. This is just a cleaning up.